I'm Disney branding as Russell. This is just for my pass, but I have the yellow shirt, the vest, the shorts, and the hat. We're gonna go to Animal Kingdom today. Dad's going to be joining us. So, it's kind of past lunchtime, but we're walking over to Pandora to get their food because they have cool food. I've met Russell and Doug, and I went on the Expedition Everest, but it closed one time. So it was a long line, but it actually went pretty fast. We probably got through it in about 30 minutes. We have another fast pass in Pandora, which is kind of why we're eating near there for Na'vi River Journey. My dad says it's only a minute ride, and he kind of left because he got hot and he wasn't having any fun because he didn't really want to go on any of the rides. So now we're just walking over. I'll show you a picture of me with Russell and Doug. I ate the hot dog. Wasn't very good. It kind of just unraveled in my hands. And it was very sticky. Mom says the hamburger just tastes like a hamburger. She already ate one. Try the coleslaw. Ooh, with the bobas. Their bobas. That's weird. It's like the salt. What do you think?
Good. Very mayonnaise.
Get a boba in there. See what you think about the boba. I fit to sleep.
It's a little spicy, I think. I don't like the boba.
Well, there's your answer. Okay, so we finished. The chips were kind of spicy. They had like spices in them. Like this. I still have one on my tongue that won't go away. The coleslaw I didn't like, but I tried, and Mom doesn't seem to really like it. So I took one sip, and this is just so much flavor. It's just it's like a blast of just flavor, and everything is so much. My boba's like I'm gonna try the middle of it, like the lime part of it. I don't know how much you can see. Wow. And just so much flavor. It's like sweet and sour. Like it's like lemonade. Like it tastes kind of like pink lemonade. Ooh. Pink lemonade, but with lime. Mom, you try it. What do you think?
It definitely has like a sweet, tart flavor. Some kind of citrus, but I couldn't really identify what kind of citrus it is, but then that's not really my strong point.
Did you like it? Yeah. I liked it. Found a way to put this into perspective. So it's like a melted Sour Patch Kids. Like it's basically what I feel like after I eat a Sour Patch Kids. Like I want to eat more, but I'm still going. Not very as strong. But it's very sugary. My teeth feel like crap after eating them, and I realized the reason the straw is so wide is so you can suck the boba through. The boba's pretty good. I've always been a fan of boba. But it's become a new trend to put boba in everything. And I don't think you should put boba in everything, but boba in drinks is pretty good. We're in line again for a flight of passage. And I don't even remember this room. We might have been walking too fast or something. I don't know. I do not remember it. And we have some really friendly in front of liners that are fun to hang out with. Yeah. But we have a fast pass to Navi River Journey at 5:40, and that's when it starts. It ends at 6:40, and right now it's 4 something. It's like 4:40 or something like that. It says it's a 105 wait time, but we've been in line for like 50 minutes already, and we're already inside. I don't think it's gonna be 105 minutes, but you know, we're timing it. So the last time we came in the morning, and apparently they completely cut us a different way, and so we haven't seen any of these rooms yet. And so I'm getting so many awesome pictures. Go follow me on Disney Amina. I'm Ella2. This is so cool. We haven't seen this yet. We haven't seen any of this. There have been 3 rooms already. And so on the other side, there was a mirror. We think it's a one-way mirror where they can see us. We saw some parts of that room, but not all of it. So that's what we were thinking. So we were on the other side of that one-way mirror. In line at 4:18, and now it's 5:48. So that was how long?
An hour.
It's been an hour.
An hour 20.
Oh, an hour 20. It said it was going to be 105 minutes, so I think that's a little less. And we see where we're going to get in line, like for the final thing, you know.
So if you were looking to be immersed in the world of Pandora, it's not a bad ride. There's really not, I would say, a highlight per se or any sort of storytelling going on, but it's kind of cool.
I liked it. It was cute. I mean, I wouldn't stand in line for hours and hours to do it, but it was a good fast pass. Yeah, that's my opinion.
So they hear us.
Okay, I got the blueberry cheesecake mint. It's so beautiful. I can't, it's just, oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna Dig in. It's so beautiful. I'm just killing it. Okay, so it's like a purple on the inside. You can see that. It's really good. It's definitely cheesecakey. I'm gonna try and get some of this. What? I think that was just pure sugar. And then this is a piece of chocolate. It's delicious. Let me get some of this yellow stuff in it. Probably. What? Oh wow. It's like a jelly, like a lemony jelly. Here, Mom, try. Mom, try.
Alright. So yes, it has, even though the coating looks hard, it's very soft with this little white powdered sugar. And then they have a little smear of blueberry sauce, it looks like. And to me, that kind of looks like a fried egg, but let me try it.
It does, kind
It's very creamy. I think the outside or the blueberry smear was a little bit tart. Yeah, kind of tastes like cheesecake. And let's try this yellow thing that she tried. I'm getting it all in that blueberry. Seems like very much a gel consistency.
You're so much better at this than I am.
This tastes a little bit like lemon. So I think this is
I know,
kind of
that's
like
what I said.
blueberry lemon, which is a very
Do you like
popular flavor. Yeah, it's good.
it? I
If
like
you're
it.
looking for a dessert.
Okay, so after Pandora, we went Mount Everest again because our fast pass was a little after, and then Mom waited in the line while I went on Cali River Rapids, and I came back, and now we're just waiting for the show to start. Okay, so my mom has some very interesting opinions on these things. So earlier today we had, by the way, we're at the bus stop. We just missed our bus, so it's gonna be a while. Except, yeah. So we went to the Birds of Flight Wilderness Explorer show. I thought it was cute. I liked it. This is Mom's opinion. Go.
Well, I thought the bird part of the show was really good, but I was a little bit annoyed with the narrator character. I think her purpose in the show is to handle the costume characters, Russell and Doug, but she was, to me, a stereotype of everything that is Indian down to her peacock costume, and I find that borderline offensive, and I think her character
Look at
as
the
a
camera.
whole was not that interesting. As for the evening River of Light show, I was a little disappointed. I think Disney really missed the mark with that one. They had an opportunity to tell a really great story.